Hi loves, this is Anna from ExploreBeautyXO. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you a part of my skincare and hair care routine, and you can see how I curl my hair using a flat iron at the end. I'm using products that were gifted to me via Octoly and Preen. Let me know what you think of the final look and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hope you like it! So I finished washing the charcoal off, and I put some makeup on. Before I style my hair, I wanted to show what it looks like after I use the mask on it. It's very soft, it's very smooth. I didn't put anything else on it, so I just put the mask, and I didn't put any oil or anything that I usually do after I shower. So it's really soft even without it. So I definitely recommend, and I'm going to keep using it and keep trying it. So I'm trying this for the first time. It's the HSI Professional Flat Iron. Comes in a little like red satin travel pouch. It's really cool. I really like it. It's really convenient, so you can take it with you on the go. And I like that it also comes with a little glove. So you section off a little bit of hair, and you put some flat iron spray just to protect it from the heat, and then you slide it on the hair about like that, and then you roll it towards which way you want it to curl, and then you just pull it through so it ends up curled like that. So this is the final look, and I have put hairspray, and hopefully it's gonna stay. It should stay. So this is what it looks like using a flat iron.